Thank you very much, Mr. Kai Matu. My name is Elvis Kauesa. I am the Executive Secretary of the Otjisuta Otjetu Oveni Association. We have this genocide symposium on this day, 22nd of October 2020 at the Yunnan Commercial Hall. And I am now appealing to all the audiences and viewers and followers of the genocide and reparation issue of the Namas and the Herero, the Namas and the Herero, Ovaherero and the Namas, committed by Germany over the period 1904-1908. And as such, I'm also going to give a brief outline and the objectives of the Otjisuta Otjetu Oveni Association. It's a foundation that was created for the descendants of the victims of the genocide by Germany on the two tribal groups, Ovaherero and the Namas. The objectives and mandate of the association are to promote unity of purpose amongst the victims, groups and communities, to uplift the socio-economic and cultural status of the victims, to meaningfully engage, participate in the genocide and the reparation dialogue. Also to promote, to monitor and evaluate the progress in attainment of the reparation resources and its potential policies. Reparation have got 5 pillars on which it stands, and that is, one is restitution, rehabilitation, compensation, satisfaction, and guaranteed non-repetition of such an act. The rationale for advancing this submission is the importance of charting the legal standing of the right to reparation for the Ovaherero and Nama communities as victims of serious violations of human rights and humanitarian law by the Germans in 1904-1908, Herero and Nama Genocide in Namibia. It is also to explore the challenges associated with the implementation of this right in 1904-1908 Herero and Nama Genocide in Namibia, including the role to be played by the United Nations in this regard under the instruments mentioned below in the German and the Herero Nama Genocide. The right to reparation in international law for victims of armed conflict states or is provided in the Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide, adopted on 9 December 1948. There is also the Convention for Protection of Human Rights and Fundamental Freedoms, adopted on 4th November 1950. The International Convention on Elimination of All Forms of Racial Discrimination, adopted on 21 December 1965. The international humanitarian law also covers some sections on genocide, the Geneva Convention relative to the protection of civilian persons in terms of war. And then coupled with that is also the international criminal law, the Rome State of International Criminal Court, adopted 17 July 1998 by the United Nations Diplomatic Conference of and the establishment of an international criminal court. General international law, that is the Vienna Convention of the Law of Treaties, adopted 23 May 1969. I think in short, that is the basis on which Otjisuta Otjetu Oveni Association is involving itself in the management of the genocide of the Ovaherero and the Nama by Germany over the period 1904-1908. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Kauesa.